If you're a gamer looking for the ultimate gaming experience, building your own PC is a great option. Building a gaming PC can be a fun and rewarding experience that not only saves you money compared to buying a pre-built PC but also allows you to customize your build to your specific needs. With the right components and guidance, building a gaming PC can be a fairly straightforward process. Building a gaming PC can seem like a daunting task at first, but with the right guidance and components. Before beginning, it's important to first determine the intended use for the PC and set a budget. From there, one can research compatible components and determine the best options for their specific needs. Following step-by-step instructions can make the process much smoother.